Yeah, same, same. Oh, rainy. Hello guys. Today I bought a lot of shampoo and body soap like those. There was some on sale like that. Do you see this is having some sale like that? So I couldn't stop buying a lot because I like sale. Yeah, same, same. And I'm willing to share all of those. I like tasting, and I know this stuff will make my skin more some good. So after trying some, I wanna give back those to all my friends at. So I bought like this, or like this. Hi guys, and then they're waiting a lot. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think around 10 people. Oh, backside. So around 12 or something like that. Many people is coming here. Around maybe the amount of this is, I don't know how much does it cost, but I don't care because I wanna taste. I wanna try that. I really like sale because I can get cheaper. Cheap is nice. I like cheaper things. Same. Honestly, my wallet is not enough to purchase everything. So I did something. I hope it is working. 53.44. It's fine. Now I have $55. Thank you so much. Yeah, perfect. Now I don't have any money here. I'm very glad. So finally, I got those organic one and some shampoo like those. I'm so glad to get those. So now I finished buying everything like this. Oh, it's very big. Yay! But sadly, it's raining. Oh, I came here by bicycle. This one. So I need to pedaling the bike in this rain. Let me do my best. Oh, rainy day, oh, rainy day, oh, rainy day, oh, rainy day. Oh, the rain is not very good because my bag is made from paper, so it is not good. I need to go home right now. It takes around at least 5 minutes from here. Rainy day, but oh, rainy day, oh, rainy day. Oh, rainy day. Guys, finally, see? It me is that. See, everything's gone. I was so surprised. Oh, rainy day. Oh, rainy day. Oh, rainy day. I saved them. See? I saved them, but see? See? What do you think the difference? This is, I have cap, no cap. I mean, I try to find here, nothing. Oh, rainy day, oh, rainy day, oh, rainy day.